Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. Now before we get started with this video, if you guys want a free quote on the Chevrolet Colorado or on any new or used car, check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment to get a free quote today. But without further ado, let's take a look at all the features on the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. What you're seeing here is the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. The competitors in this segment is going to be vehicles like the Nissan Frontier, Toyota Tacoma, and also the Ford Ranger. So the mid-size pickup segment is definitely full of competition, so we'll see how the work truck stacks up to the rest of the competitors. The motor on this one has the Turbo Max upgrade. So it has the high output 2.7 liter turbo motor. This one specifically has 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Now, if you get the detuned one, which is $1,050 less, you're going to have around 236 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. In the work truck segment, everything needs to be as basic as possible. Up front, you can see we have halogen headlights, black plastic all the way around the front, as you can see here, black plastic everywhere. We have the classic Chevrolet bow tie, and like most work trucks, they come in white. Moving over to the wheels, from the factory they come wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires. The size on these is going to be 255 65 17s. Basic wheel package as well. These are steel wheels. Same size up front as they are on the back. You have body colored wheel arches all the way around, Colorado badging. We have steps added on by the dealer and black plastic mirror caps. More plastic on the door handles. And the Colorado only comes in one configuration now. So the only way you can get any of the Colorados is in the crew cab configuration with the 5-foot bed. Now speaking of the 5-foot bed, we have plenty of volume inside of here. This is a very deep truck bed with plenty of storage space. We'll go ahead and open that up and check it out. By the handle, you have your backup camera, and you can just open it by pulling like this. It comes down nice and heavy. No amenities there whatsoever. 2 tie downs on each corner. And Chevrolet has this very cool system inside the bed. So if you put a 2x4 in any of those little divots and run it all the way across, you can put a piece of plywood on top and have a 2-tiered storage system. Very convenient if you're using this as a work truck and you want to have your tools on the bottom and materials on top. On the truck bed, we have a drink holder, so if you're on the job site, you can have all your drinks sitting on the tailgate. Measurement marks, it goes from 1 inch all the way up to 48 inches or 4 feet, which is another convenient option for the job site. Now the work truck Colorado also isn't a bad option for people who are very budget friendly. This comes in at around a base price of around $31,000 in the 2-wheel drive configuration without the Turbo Max motor. Towing hookups in the back as well. Spare tire underneath, and a single exhaust outlet for that 2.7 liter turbo. 4-pin trailer connector, as well as a 6-pin trailer connector. And we have this nice textured plastic so we can step in and out of the bed very easily. Side steps on both sides as well. Moving to the side, you also do have your fuel fill up. Capless gas fill system, so no need to screw or unscrew a gas cap. This 2.7 liter turbo will take 87 octane or above. Now moving to the inside of the Colorado work truck, everything is as basic as possible. Black plastic all the way around, inside the interior, black plastic door handles, window controls, storage up top, and storage in the bottom. Sitting back here is actually very nice and spacious. We have cloth seating surfaces with a lever right here to raise up the seats that will reveal a storage area underneath. Hopping inside the back seat of the Chevrolet Colorado work truck, the driver's seat is adjusted to how I would be sitting. I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day, so I have pretty good leg room back here, plenty of headroom all the way around. I have lights back here, handles, everything I need to stay comfortable. 2 cup holders in the front, 2 AC vents right below that. Sliding rear glass window. Pretty basic back here, but it is comfortable and it definitely gets the job done. Now you can definitely fit 2 full-size adults back here. Fitting a third person will be pretty tight, but you can definitely fit 2 full-size adults comfortably. Moving up front on the Chevrolet Colorado work truck. Same thing up front as we have in the back. We have all of our window controls, mirror controls, lock, unlock, black plastic door handles, black plastic all the way around with storage up top, in the middle, and below. The seats, of course, are going to be manually adjustable, so you can raise the seat up, you can recline it, or you can move it forwards and backwards with that hook. Same thing on the passenger side as well. Cloth seating surfaces up here. Let's hop inside and see how comfortable we are. Inside the Chevrolet Colorado work truck, we have 2 digital displays. As soon as we hop in, we see the Chevrolet on the left side, Chevrolet bow tie on the right side, and we have a push button start, standard for the 2024 model year. Starting up the Chevrolet Colorado work truck, we have a black plastic wrapped steering wheel, cruise control buttons on the left side. We have standard forward collision assist. On the right side, we have hands-free voice commands, music, call dropping, and answering, and we can navigate our menus by going up and down and hitting enter. We also do have a customizable display in the middle, so if you hit this button, it will rotate out the layout. I'll go ahead and scroll through those for you guys, and I'll let you pick a favorite. Now, the work truck has built-in Google Maps, so you can use that as your navigation system from the touchscreen. But as you can see, we have plenty of intuitive layouts on the Chevrolet Colorado work truck. Windshield wiper controls on the left side with our windshield wiper fluid. AC vent in the left side, 2 in the middle, and 1 all the way to the right. Our dashboard is covered in black plastic. Same thing up here as well, plastic all the way around. But what can I say, it's a work truck, that's all you need. Glove box with plenty of storage space. Moving to the middle, we have a phone holder, USB-C, USB, no 4-wheel drive on this model. This is a 2-wheel drive. If you had a 4-wheel drive, your 4-wheel drive would be selected right here. Electronic parking brake, and we have our shifter with reverse that will reveal our backup camera. Great feature on the backup camera is we have our lines right here. So we can have a line for backing into a parking space, and we also do have a tow hitch view, as well as a line for hooking up a trailer. If we go all the way back into L mode, we can shift down or up with this gear selector on the left side. 2 cup holders in the middle, center console with a cubby that we can take out, with plenty of storage space and a cigarette lighter port inside of there. All of our AC controls are going to be right here in the middle. We have our fan speed, temperature, and we can control where the air goes to. Inside this touchscreen, we have our vehicle status, where we can see things like our trip odometer, tire pressure, tire and brakes, engine life, engine filter life, everything we need to know inside this truck. So all of your maintenance is going to be displayed in this touchscreen, which is very nice so you don't have to get out and check it all the time. Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, Amazon Alexa, trailering, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth, Google Maps, phone, controls, My Chevrolet, podcasts, and news. The way you control your headlights is right here in the touchscreen. So we have power window lockout, camera, traction control, auto high beams, and we can also control our headlights. So if you want to cut the headlights on, you have to go inside the touchscreen and either turn them on, auto, or off. Great thing about the work truck is they come with automatic headlights, so no need to cut them on or off all the time. Left side, we can control how bright our center display is. This one also does have a trailer brake adjuster, so we can control our brake output. We can pop open the hood with this lever, and we have a manually adjustable steering wheel that will go up and down just like that. But honestly, on the inside, this is not a bad truck to use as a daily driver. Even if you're not using it for work, it is very convenient to have around the house if you need to move large objects in the back with that 5-foot bed, or just run around town and pick up groceries. But I know you guys are curious about the price, so we'll hop out, take one last look at the outside of the Chevrolet Colorado work truck, and see how much it costs. Overall, I'm very impressed with this vehicle. I wish this one had 4-wheel drive, but Who uses that anyways? We have a 2.7 liter turbo 4-cylinder with 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, which is very impressive. Crew cab configuration with a 5-foot bed with plenty of amenities back there to keep you working. So moving to the window sticker, this is the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado 2-wheel drive work truck crew cab. Summit white with a jet black interior, 2.7 liter turbo max motor with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the Colorado work truck is going to come in at a very low price of $29,500. If you want the extra power, all you have to do is spend $1,050 to get 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Advanced trailering package, work truck convenience package, spare tire, alternator. With destination charge, this one comes out to $33,890. Here's all the safety ratings on this vehicle, and gas mileage on that 2.7 turbo is going to come in at 19 city, 24 highway with 21 miles per gallon combined. Here's the whole window sticker if you would like to pause the video and take a look at it. But guys, that's it for today's video. I appreciate you watching very much. If you enjoyed this review on the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado work truck, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe down below for more car content. You'll also see some videos popping up on the corners, so if you see anything that interests you, make sure to click on those and check them out. That's it for today's video. My name is Joshua McDonald. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you next time.